Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the next flagship phone from Samsung that is expected to launch in January 2024. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech videos. Now you might be wondering what's so special about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Well, according to some leaked images of the phone's cases, not much. That's right. The Galaxy S24 Ultra looks almost identical to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which was already very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So what's going on here? Is Samsung running out of ideas, or are they saving the best for last? Let's take a closer look at these leaked images and see what they reveal about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see, the phone has a very rectangular shape with a quad lens camera on the back. There are actually 6 cutouts on the case, but one of them is for the LED flash and another one is for the laser autofocus one. The camera layout is exactly the same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which means we can expect a 108MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, a 10MP 3x optical zoom sensor, and a 10MP 10x optical zoom sensor. The power and volume buttons are also on the right edge of the phone, just like the previous models. The only noticeable difference is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has an S Pen slot on the bottom edge, which means it will support the stylus that was previously exclusive to the Galaxy Note series. This is a nice feature for those who like to take notes or draw on their phones. But other than that, there is nothing new or exciting about the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It seems like Samsung is sticking with the same old formula that has worked for them for the last 2 years. But is that enough to compete with other brands that are constantly innovating and experimenting with new designs? Well, maybe Samsung is focusing more on the internal features and specifications of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Maybe they have some amazing surprises under the hood that will blow us away. Let's see what rumors and leaks have to say about that. According to various sources, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a stunning 6.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means that the screen will be sharp, colorful, and smooth. The display will also have an adaptive refresh rate feature that will adjust according to the content you are watching or playing. This will help save battery life and prevent overheating. Speaking of battery life, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly have a massive 5,000 mAh battery that will support fast charging and wireless charging. This should be enough to last you through a full day of heavy use or even longer if you are more moderate. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will also have a powerful processor that will run everything smoothly and efficiently. Depending on your region, you will either get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset or the Exynos 2200 chipset. Both of these are based on a foreign process and have an integrated GPU and AI engine. They are expected to deliver impressive performance and graphics for gaming and multitasking. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will also have plenty of memory and storage options to choose from. You will be able to get up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. That's more than enough for all your apps, games, photos, videos, and files. But what about the camera? Surely Samsung has something amazing planned for the camera of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Well, not exactly. According to some reports, Samsung will actually downgrade one of the cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Instead of having a 10x optical zoom lens like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it'll have a 5 optical zoom lens with a higher resolution sensor. This means that you will be able to capture more details when you zoom in, but you won't be able to zoom in as far as before. This might be disappointing for some people who like to take pictures of distant objects or scenes. However, Samsung might compensate for this by introducing a new feature called ISOCELL Zoom Anyplace. This is a technology that uses artificial intelligence and software processing to enhance digital zooming without losing quality or clarity. This could potentially allow you to zoom in up to 100x or even more without sacrificing much detail. Another new feature that Samsung might introduce is called ISOCELL HP2. This is a new sensor technology that can capture images at an incredible resolution of 200MP. That's right, 200 megapixels. That's 4 times more than the current 108MP sensor. This means that you will be able to capture every detail and nuance of your subject, even when you crop or zoom in. Of course, these are just rumors and leaks, and we don't know for sure if they are true or not. We'll have to wait until Samsung officially announces the Galaxy S24 Ultra and see what they have to offer. So, what do you think of the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Are you excited or disappointed by its design and features? Do you think it will be worth buying or not? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.